Did you know that only 5% of the world's wealth is actual physical money? The other 95%? It's all credit, existing only on computer chips. That means if your credit isn't in good shape, you're locked out of a massive portion of the world's wealth. Think about that for a second. It's not just about getting a loan. It's about your access to growth, opportunity, and financial security. In today's world, good credit isn't a luxury anymore, it's essential. It affects everything from buying a car to getting a decent apartment. Unfortunately, nearly 60% of the population struggles with less than perfect credit, which can make you feel like a second-class citizen. But here's the good news, you don't have to stay there. You can take control. You can erase bad credit and build an excellent credit score, and you can do it faster and easier than you might think. But here's the key, getting good credit is just the first step. The real work starts after that. It's about acting responsibly and with discipline to keep that great credit score for the long haul. It's a battle for sure, but a winnable one. So, what is credit really? How do you use it properly without falling into common traps? Before we dive into the specific strategies for repairing your credit, we need to understand the fundamentals. Knowing how the system works is your first and most powerful tool. It's the foundation for building a stronger financial future, not just for today, but for life. Once you have this knowledge, you'll be equipped to not only fix your credit, but also maintain it. You'll learn how to make credit work for you, not against you. This isn't just about paying off debt. It is about transforming your relationship with money and unlocking the doors to your financial freedom. Stick around because we're about to break it all down and give you the roadmap to AAA credit. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on these essential tips. Thanks for watching. Now continue to part 2 of this lesson.